Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps, and you can also apply this pattern in baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 15 stitches. On my needle 12 stitches, multiple of 4, 3 times 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 and plus 1 extra stitch 13 and plus 2 edge stitches 15. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit anybody you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3. This is 4 stitches pattern 2, 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, purl 1 and it edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 1, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How many you have? So yarn, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over, 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 2, make 3 from 1 stitch and purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over, 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 1. One more time, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over, 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, purl 1 and it edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, knit 1. One more time, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, knit 1, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 5th row and right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, knit 1, knit together from back loop. For this twist this first stitch and knit together from back loop. That's a repeat from head to here, purl 1, knit together from front loop, knit 1, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So again, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, knit 1, knit together from back loop. One more time, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, knit 1, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed. Now 6th row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back. That's a repeat from here to here, knit 1, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of an. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friends.